স্টোর রেকর্ডিং দিয়ে আমি ক্লাসে চলে গেলাম। আমি কিভাবে ক্লাসটা করছি। হ্যাঁ, ওয়েলকাম মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট। Your former class has been closed from 17th March due to pandemic of coronavirus COVID-19. That's why our government has arranged online class. You are all welcome to my online class. I think you are all keeping at home by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. The student, teacher's identity. I am MD Abdul Gafur Ghazi, head teacher, Madhugram High School, Dumaria Khulna. Email gadigopur73@gmail.com. Mobile number 01717287969. Dear students, let us observe some images. What can you see in the picture? Dear students, do you mind? What is the picture about? Perhaps it is a laptop and there are many books on the shelf. On the shelf. Here we can see at the rate of email, Gmail, Yahoo, and so on. Today's topic is e-learning. Do you know what is e-learning? E-learning means electronic learning. Dear student, can you imagine? There is a class, there is no chair, no bench, no formal class. Today we shall discuss class 10, subject English, unit 13. Our objects. What we will learn by the end of this lesson. Talk about e-learning. What is e-learning? Use CD, DVD, TV, Oxford Dictionary in where ask and answer question from the text. Write an email expressing feeling about e-learning. Dear student, discuss with your partner what is in picture. What is this? It is mouse. This mouse. There are many books. This book is opening, but this mouse. The books are controlled with the mouse. These books are controlled with the mouse. Solution. Here is two pictures. First is one is pile of book. Pile of book one or another. Second picture is mouse. These important tools to operate a computer. Books gives us information. Similarly, a click on the mouse gives is our desired information. The student. Which thing do you use for your learning? How? The student. What can you see in the picture? There are four pictures. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4. Picture 1. There is used network connection, DVD, Oxford Dictionary English, Banglapedia. There are many Banglapedia books there. We use digital education programs on TV, CD, DVD. We use Oxford Dictionary. We enjoy educational program on TV that we have already enjoyed. Dear students, here we will learn some vocabulary. Do you know what is the meaning of thrill? The spelling of the word THRILLED, thrilled. Thrill means very pleased and excited. The synonym of theme, thrilled is very pleased or excited. I was thrilled to see her. Make sentence with thrilled. Digitalized. What do you mean by digitalized? Digitalized to send picture or other information to electronic signals. It's called electronic signal. Is that the picture about digitalized? Network connection. Digitalized. Everything is digitalized by the system is called e-learning. Make sentence with digitalized. Everything is digitalized by system is called e-learning. Do you know the meaning of the word confused? Confused means to make someone to feel that do not understand something. Bangla meaning king kortobbo bimulo. In a fix, confused means in a fix. What can I do? I am not find out. I am not taking decision. What I will have to do is called confused. There is a picture. It is easy to confuse them because they are so similar. Make sentence with confused. The student, read the text and answer the question. Read the passage and answer them. What is the process of teaching here? How did Dr. Badrul H. Khan get PhD? The student, do you know who is Badrul? Badrul is the father of e-learning in Bangladesh. Solution. In e-learning, everything from admission to certificate must take place electronically through computer and internet technology in a virtual campus. E-learning virtual campus. E-learning guru Dr. Bodrul H. Khan, every step such as registration, admission, classroom, entry and exit class or attendance, discussion with course mates, feedback, exam and finally certification must take place electronically through computer and internet technology is a virtual campus. Dear student, I told you the definition of e-learning. That is the appropriate definition of e-learning. There is no base, there is no student, but class is going. It's called virtual campus. Student will not attend the class, but affirmatively, student will not present the class. There is no base, there is no dates, but virtual class e-learning. The student write an email to teacher expressing your feeling about e-learning. There is the form. File, edit, view, insert, format tools, message, help. There are some. Now I am writing a mail. Dear sir, we always enjoy your class very much. Yesterday class 1 e-learning was very much interesting. I think e-learning will change the entire world of education system graphically. All the arrangements about it, I expect you will clarify it with thanks of Sanabib. Dear student, homework. You will prepare, write an email inviting your friend about e-learning presentation. E-learning presentation. This is your home task. Dear friend, no more today. Thank you.